Well, hello and welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. If this is the first time that you're coming onto this channel, then please like, subscribe, and share. And we would be glad and really happy to bring out the updates of the Forex market on a daily basis to you. Now, let's understand as to what is happening today in the market. Of course, there are a few important things that I would like to tell you, which is going to be really very nice for everyone to know. And let's begin. So today being the 14th of August, a Thursday, we have a very important news coming in the evening for core PPI month-on-month, PPI month-on-month, and very importantly, unemployment claims. Now, this is a very important news today, but apart from that, there has been a news which I want you to certainly focus on, which happened already. And this is where, if you look at the breaking news, which has been most viewed in the last 12 hours, the first one itself, it says that when Mr. Trump announced that we will name a new chairman early. Now, this has a lot of sentiments involved. Finally, Chairman Powell, the chairman is going to, be changed, and the new chairman will be appointed, which makes a huge, huge impact in this coming days as well, till the time this new name is not revealed. So you got to be really careful, but you at the same time you also have to understand that there's been a very important news, and we have seen it in the past, how when Fed chair Mr. Powell speaks, it makes a lot of impact. And when the new person comes in, it certainly will have a positive or a negative impact based on the sentiments. Now, this is the very sentiment that we saw in today morning, because this news came in 12 hours ago. And when we look at the technical aspect of it, we saw a bullish from when the market started. We saw a bullish movement coming in from gold and rising high, right? And again, touching almost 3374 and then coming down. So let's understand today's range as to what it might be. One thing before I go ahead, let me just inform you that this is just a financial advice that we're trying to give. Sorry, I mean, don't take this as a financial advice. Rather, this is just on the educational basis that we are making the video. Please don't take this as a financial advice and trade at your own risk. So, in terms of the understanding of the market goes, we also have to understand that today, when market has touched this level, right, in the past as well, this has been a very good level for us to understand and make the decision for a proper sell or a buy, right? So today, the point of the day for you would be 3357. This is what the rate would be, the price would be. Now, market is certainly above this, and this has been a testing phase. So you can always keep this as your point of the day for a stop loss, whether it's a buy position or when it comes to a sell position, the market goes down. Right. Now, what happens over here is the market is going right now at this particular pace. What we are going to do is we are going to, just a minute. Okay, we're going to just understand as to how the market might react. Now, market have already does this once, right? And today it is showing a lot of bullish sentiment, which is really very important for us to understand, is because of the news and a lot of buyers coming into the picture. Right, market from here, if it does not go below, what might happen is it might just bounce back and go towards 3374. That would be your first target. Wait for a while again, and then at a retest, if it crosses, then it will certainly touch 3397 and might go up to, on the retest again, might go up to 3412. Now that is the level for the day for the buy position. So you have your levels for the buy positions, the market remaining above 3357, going up to 337475, and then of course 3397 and 3412. these are the buy levels where you have these three targets. Right. Now, if the market goes downwards, then we certainly understand that market might just r- reach around about 3350, which is a very strong support, which was been seen yesterday as well. Right. And if the market will try to retest this, and if it gets rejected from here, from the resistance, it will certainly go down to the next target for you being 3336. And then if it goes down, we have a target of 3326. And further down there, it can certainly, you can expect it to go up till 333, sorry, 3300. So this is what for the sell the targets are, the minimum three targets and the support that we see. The first point of the day being 3357, the market being above, we will consider buy. The market being below, we will consider sell at the points that we've been discussed and been informed. Now, please trade carefully over here, because today there are news in the evening. There is one news which has already come from Mr. Trump, which is already impacting. So we might see a lot of bullish sentiments. We might see a bullish momentum today as well. Like I said, this is only for the educational purpose and not a financial advice. However, as far as the understanding goes, we have to understand that this might happen this way, right? Now, so considering the bullish sentiment, these are the range which you might see today of 3375, 3397. And if it crosses, then of course 3412 to 3430 as well, right? Well, that's all I have for you today for the gold market. In terms of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, things are doing great. I will try and make a video or only on Bitcoin and Ethereum very soon, but right now, like I said, I've made one video in the past which was really helpful, and if you see that, you will understand that for all the people who watched that video, I'm sure you must have made most of it by then, because at that point in time Ethereum was not even at around about 4,000. Okay, so well, that's all. You have a wonderful day and a great life. Thank you. This is NXG Markets. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and do put a comment for any feedback or any other thing that you would like to know. Thank you.